Welcome back to the SMART Tech2Tech video series on the Smart Notebook Collaborative Learning Software. This is the 5th session in the series where an overview of maintenance and basic troubleshooting steps is conducted. Periodic updates are made available to correct bugs or errors, eliminate instabilities, or implement new features. Although these updates are not always required, it is recommended to apply these updates regularly to stay current and prevent potential incompatibilities. Occasionally, new gallery items may become available, or there may be a need to add content not previously installed. This may be accomplished by updating from within Smart Notebook. Additional language packs may be implemented as well from the Gallery Updates icon. The most common issues and their resolutions have been included as a means to jumpstart the troubleshooting process. If the Smartboard or Smart Product Drivers icon is not in the Windows taskbar, it may have been inadvertently turned off, or during the software installation process, the startup option for the Smart System menu may have been unchecked. If the contextual toolbar doesn't disappear, simply select anywhere on the Smart Notebook page to hide it. Contact technical support for assistance or access the knowledge base to locate technical documentation as a self-serve option to correct the damage registry. If Smart Notebook needs to be removed, keep in mind that dependent components, for example, Smart Response, must be uninstalled prior or at the same time. Chances are, if Smart Notebook Math or 3D Tools can't be located, it wasn't initially installed. Use the Education Software Installer to install the missing software to begin using it. If the Smart Notebook ink editing tools or any other add-ons no longer work, but had initially, chances are the trial period has been exhausted. Enter the product activation key to continue using the various add-on features. In closing, if you have further questions regarding general maintenance and the basic troubleshooting steps associated with Smart Notebook Collaborative Learning Software, please check Smart Support Center at the listed URL, search the knowledge base using the available filters and keywords, or contact Smart's technical support using one of the listed options. Thanks again for viewing the 5th and final session in the Smart Tech2Tech video series on the Smart Notebook Collaborative Learning Software.